What is up, guys? We are doing a bit of a different video here today. It's going to be some sit down and just relax type session. I have one of my carp rods at an ultralight, two bigger rods for catfish. We are underneath the Woodrow Wilson Bridge here in Virginia. And yeah, got some night crawlers with me, some chicken and Kool-Aid. And we're gonna see what we can get today. So heading to this little pier over here. There's already people at it. Hopefully they don't start setting up. And yeah. Mind if I fish here? Mind if I fish here? Just have some good. To be out. It's not going anywhere.
A Battle 3.
A Battle 3?
Yeah.
I think this is a Battle 4, I believe.
No, it's a Fierce.
Fierce, I'm sorry.
Fierce M. Do you think that we have identical rods but not identical reels?
Yeah.
Although we have identical rods. and the same one, catfish.
You guys been catching a lot today?
Only him, he caught 2 already.
Okay.
Have you caught anything on Chicken and Kool-Aid before?
Yeah, I've caught a bunch of catfish here on chicken before.
Have you ever caught a perch on Chicken and Kool-Aid?
No. Alright, not too much has happened. Marlon's here now. Just gonna try to get some cats with us. One of my rigs broke off camera. Got hung up on something and broke it off. So we're just retying now. And that is that. Perfect. There you go.
Ah, where's my rod?
Your rod's right there. Boy, that's
man.
took that one, man.
He still got some fight in him. That's for sure.
I can get it.
My rod was about to fall over. That's over. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, 4 cents. I got you. I'm gonna take it. No, don't.
Oh, you hooked him through the eye.
I just casted it
That's
out.
good.
You realize?
Why?
Ooh, careful.
I got you.
You better yank
They
through his
don't
lip.
fight, but it's not.
Damn,
but
you
it's
twisted out.
fucking up thing.
Yeah, you doing more damage to him.
I think you've been watching too many of those fishing shows. You don't have
Oh, wait a minute. Let me get a picture of it.
Oh, you can lip him.
to kiss it first.
Is that going? What's that doing? What's that doing?
Yeah.
Drop a fish,
whoa,
drop a
the big
fish,
rod,
drop
the
it.
big
Grab it,
rod.
grab it.
The big rod.
Yeah.
That's your rod?
Yep.
Yeah, you got one. Oh yeah, it's starting to bite.
Is he?
You on it?
If it is, that's a little one. Yeah, it's a baby one.
If it's a perch, I want it.
Come on, ask him about
Oh, no, you got off.
Come on.
Came off.
What?
Either that or it was the tide pushing it.
No.
Big catfish.
Yeah. That's how I grabbed him with the glove hand.
That is stand back from the people dealing with their fish and their pork. What are you gonna do with it? Kisses?
Put on grab the den. Catch it. Next thing I know,
Look in there. Alright, watch out. Not to sling this thing.
I got a 2-ounce on sitting at the bottom with it.
I know. I got the same setup for the most part, except I got a sinker slide instead of Carolina rig.
Biggest way to
Nutriel.
Like a little Santee Cooper.
Nutriel. I got Nutriel, Grandpa.
Exactly. Why do you do that?
To make a rat's nest.
That's why I like this rod though, because the live liner, you can just pick up and start reeling.
Bro,
But just like you
that was
saw
a
it
good-
bouncing,
That's a good little
yeah.
fight though. Solid. Solid.
Kinda.
Solid.
Not good, but still.
Solid. You going through it.
Come on there. It's a fish. Yeah. A little bit bigger.
Sunfish
Give him
cat.
some room.
That's a kitty cat. It's a kitty cat.
That's nice.
It seems like the same one over and over.
Yeah.
Same one actually.
No, it isn't. There must be a bunch of the same size.
Yeah, it's a school somewhere down there.
Yeah.
If this structure, they're hot in that structure, so they're probably
That's the one we're getting snagged on.
stacking up for the winter.
Oh yeah, you could drive out of like, you could drive out
There
of
we
like,
go.
and they had a whole pair of wooden skis and the snow skis in the cabin. So we were towing them on a rope.
That's a 13, 15.
13 what?
That's shit.
My car crashed.
Still a baby.
Nice. It almost rolled. You know what the hell is
From here?
I mean, they small, so, but not today. We'll come back.
I mean, if
got
you-
another bike. Got another bike right
Give
here.
it a second.
Bike.
Hands all
That's your
slim.
phone?
Yeah.
One.
Uh-oh. So we got something here on the cart rod. It feels, oh, he's healing dry. It's big. Whatever it is big. Grab it. Get the net ready. Get the net ready. Get the net. Get the net. It's big. He's not giving up either. Am I snagged? I'm not sure. Keep pulling. Yeah, I can pull him forward.
There you go. How are you?
I hope so.
Work your way up. Work your way up. You want the safety one? Put a circle on it, right? See,
No, this is a cart foot. No, he's under it. I don't know what he snagged on. That is so annoying. Yeah. He pulls occasionally, but I was
See
hung
what's
up.
on the bottom? That rebar and shit?
Yeah, from the old bridge. Alright, so quick update. We both caught one fish each. You guys probably saw in the video. Yeah, that one fish that I hooked got snagged. I just broke it off. There's no sense in trying to save it. It wasn't going to get out. So, yeah. Calling it quits for today. We will be back possibly another day.
Next time, maybe we can set up here.
Oh no, it's even worse right here. I set up here before. It's even worse when we get snags. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and that will be all. Peace.